Alright guys, we're at home. We made our necessary repairs. We just got done killing some batteries on the EXB. So we repaired this shock here that blew out at the skate park today. Hear that fan? Yeah. That's why I had a double fan on it. But this thing moves an incredible amount of air. So gonna have to write to Horizon, I guess, again. I mean, they've been really good about everything. They've been actually exceptional. Problems with the slipper clutch, they sent me a new one. Problems with the battery, they sent me a new one. I mean, no questions asked. Some guys on the forum were asking how fast this thing was, so I swept up the road. Because obviously someone spits rocks on it all the time. She is quick. And dodgy. Handles good. But is pretty shady. It is lively. Grass is a little tall to be ripping through the grass, unfortunately. And she is back and alive. 129 on her ESC, which isn't that bad. I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys that this thing is pretty easy to repair. Parts are relatively cheap, and it has been an absolute mammoth of a truck. Let's see, we'll go down to our timer. There you go. So many hours I got on it. Controller don't lie. 60 hours total for both models. 45 hours on this beast. It's been a really fun truck. Well, hope everyone has a happy Memorial Day. Goodbye.